Hello guys, I'm back again. Happy New Year to all of you. Today I have a good news for you, okay? I'm going to give you something, it's quite expensive, but I'm going to give for free for only those that is my followers, my subscribers, okay? Yes, not only my subscribers, but anyone who want to follow my tutorial, because as soon as I drop this video, those who get access to this video will get the gift for free. You know something? I'm going to give you free Canva. Before I will do that, let's look at the Canva Pro pricing. Yes, you are surprised, right? I'm going to give you Canva Pro for free. I think I deserve something. Yes. Now give me this. Oh yes. Yeah, I think I deserve that. But before, as I said earlier, before we will do that, let me show you what I'm going to give you to for free. Now let's search for Canva. So Canva Pro pricing, okay? And search for that. Okay, so let's go to the official website. And let's go down here. We have a free one, but you'll get access to a lot of resources, but still there's some limitation. But let me take you around first. Now if you want Pro one, that is, you'll pay $120 for 1 year. Okay, you know what it means. Those within Africa, especially Ghana, you convert 120 Ghana cedis and you see that it's quite expensive. Okay, yes, and I'm going to give it to you for free. Yes. So it has a trial period. You can go through. I've been using Canva Pro to do a lot of stuff. In fact, for creating logo, can you imagine that I'm making money over there creating logo, charging around 500 Ghana cedis for just a logo, and I will not even spend it. I will even spend just a minute. Sometimes I can even spend just 5 minutes to design a logo, just only logo, and charge 500 Ghana cedis. Yes, so it's something which has been helping me, and I think I need to share. I have to share with my student. You also deserve to make money online. That is all about. Okay, we are here to help each other. Try and subscribe to this channel at least. Just do that, and I will even love it if you decide to share some of my video on other platforms, your social media or WhatsApp. That would be the best. Yes. Okay, I think you are going to do that. So because of that, I will give you this for that. Okay, good. Yes, you deserve that. But let's proceed. So we are not going to waste time here. Let me take you straight to how to get a Canva Pro for free. Now let me close this. Okay, good. We will leave the official website. Let me close that. Whether you already have an account or you don't have an account at all, you can still join it for free. You get all the pro features for free. Oh yes. Now let me take you to the how to get the Canva Pro. So first, this is what we are going to do. Just, before you come to that, let me talk about CloudHost. Now cloudhost.com. If you need a high-speed web hosting server to manage your website, just come to CloudHost. We have affordable web hosting plan for you, especially if you're in Ghana. Check the price here, 75 Ghana cedis for the whole year. And we have different packages and even reseller plan if you want to start reseller business. I started a reseller business before I decided to install my own server on a VPS. Okay, and it's a video that I'm about to start, how you can start your own mini web hosting business. Okay, I started from somewhere and now I'm here. Okay, and I will walk you through very soon. We will come to that. For now, I'm going to give you Canva Pro for free. As I said, you need to subscribe to this channel if it is your first time of watching me. My name is Samuel Quenes. I'm the founder of CloudHost. This web hosting is right in Ghana, and founder of Reader the Guitars. Reader the Guitars, all that we do is we design a professional website. You can visit our official website at reader.com. this is our official website. This is my picture. You can read more about us. Yes, that's what we do. If you need a professional website, just reach out to me and I will design an amazing one for you. So let's move on to getting the Canva Pro. Okay, I think you have been waiting for that, right? Yes. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Just enter crowd host. Okay, then you blink slash Canva Pro. Okay, just enter that. The link is below this video. Okay, crowdhost.com/Canva Pro. Then you click enter. Straight away, you see you are here. So it says you have been invited to Crowdhost Masterclass. Okay, yes, that is you will become our student, and through that you get free Canva Pro. Okay, good. So I'll go to continue with Google, or you can continue with any of the social media that you want. I will go with Google because I have an account. Okay, so I will select the email account that I want to use for the registration. Straight away, this is very easy to sign up. It's not difficult at all. And I think guys have done well. As I said, subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. And also, you can even share my video and you can see this. Welcome to Reader Masterclass, and this is Canva Pro. So you have access. This is an old account. That's why you can see this. This is not my main account. Okay, I think yeah, it's not my main account. On my main account, I have a lot of styles, logos, and a lot of things inside. Okay, I think I created this one through tutorials. Okay, yes, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to prove to you that this is a pro account. Okay, good. Now after joining, let's see, we are going to demonstrate something first. Let's look at a logo. Let me see where I can get it. Let me close that. Okay, so let me click on the homes to make sure that I'm at the right place. Okay, I wanted to, okay, so I will click more here and I can go through. Okay, let's see. Okay, so logo, let me click on the logo. With the Canva Pro, after creating logo, if you want to make the background transparent, it's possible. And you have access. There's so many things you can resize. Maybe you have designed something previously, and later you feel like the size is not okay for you. You want to resize it. With a pro account, you can resize already made design. Okay, yes, but with a free one, there's no way you can do that. So that's why you see we have that this yellowish icon here. It shows that only pro futures, or only those who have pro futures, can use that. Okay, good. Now I have done. Let's come back here. I'll search for logo, or let me, sorry, okay, so let me click on logo here, and I think, let me see if I can get a pro logo. Okay, so let me just select any of them, then I will show you how you can use you can just remove the background. Let's say I want to use this one. It has a black background. The background is black. I can just click share, then go to download. You see all these are pro features. Limit the file size to, so you can decide to limit the file size if the file size is too small. And we have compress the file. You can also compress the file, transparent background. All these are pro features. I hope you can see that. I can select this one, you see, and I can proceed with that. I can just click download. Okay, good. You see it is done. So I will click here to open it. Okay, good. So first let's open that, and you see it has no background, and this logo is very nice. You can just change the name, and but you have to do that on the Canva. Here you can do it here, you can change it here. So I think I deserve that. Give it to me once again. Give it to me once again. Good. I've done well. Yes, so now you have a Canva Pro. Enjoy it. As I said, subscribe to this channel, and you can even share my video on other social media platform. Thank you for that.